Chestnuts are very healthy and delicious. They make a great snack during fall and winter. However, if you don't have the time to roast them, here's a quick and easy way of making them. Let's start by giving them a quick wash. Once they've been washed, use a sharp knife and cut into the chestnuts one by one. Try to use a towel to prevent slipping, and beware not to cut yourself. Once all the chestnuts have been cut, fill the bowl with just enough water to cover all the chestnuts, and then cover the bowl with a wet piece of paper towel. Now, let's put the bowl in the microwave and set the timer to roughly 3 minutes. If you have more chestnuts, obviously put more time, less time. Be very careful when you take the bowl out of the microwave. It's going to be very hot. Now for the hard part, the peeling. The trick is, you want to make sure the chestnuts are hot, but not so hot it will burn you. I replaced some of the water in there with cold water. However, I do have to work fast to make sure the skin doesn't start to stick on the chestnuts. It is definitely still a bit hot. And voila! Nicely peeled piece of chestnut. And there you have it. There are a few tips I'd like to share with you. One, when you're peeling, try to peel the outside shell together with the inner skin. That actually makes it easier to come off. Two, as I mentioned before, try to make sure the chestnuts are still hot when you're doing that. It does make it a lot easier. Three, when you are cooking, try to undercook instead of overcook. If you think it needs 3 minutes, maybe put it in for 2:45. After all, if it's undercooked, you could always put it back in the microwave for a little longer. However, if it's overcooked, it becomes hard and rubber-like. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy these chestnuts.